and sweet, crunchy and tasty, a wonderful treat growing in the ground. They love the sun. Learning about veggies is so much fun. Broccoli stands tall like a green tree, full of vitamins, so good for me. Little buds in clusters, soft and round, a treasure of health in the garden is found. Tomatoes are juicy, red and plump, hanging on vines they love to jump. A splash of flavor in every bite. Learning about veggies makes hearts light. Peas in a pot so snug and small, green little pearls, the cutest of all. They love to play in the garden breeze. Vegetable learning is such a tease. Potatoes hide deep under the ground, soft and starchy, they're always around. Mashed, baked, or fried, they taste so nice. Veggie adventures are full of spice. Bell peppers are rainbow, red, green, and yellow. Crunchy and crisp, they're such a mellow fellow. Add them to a salad or munch them raw. Learning about veggies fills us with awe.